Okay, so we use because to connect two sentences. Okay, now how can we arrange these sentences? Because is here in the middle. Before because we bought the result. The result means what happened. After because we bought the reason. The reason means why it happened. Let's have example. I I took I took a taxi. I was late. And he wants me to join these two sentences using because. We follow the rule. What happened? What happened that I took a taxi? I took a taxi. That's what happened. And then I bought because. Be careful, students, when you bought because, you don't put comma and we don't put full stop because we are making the two sentences into one big sentence. One big sentence does not have except one full stop only. And the because is not preceded by commas. Okay, so I took a taxi because I was late. Let's have some examples. Let me stop students from writing on my screen. Okay. Here are examples. I'm going to call you by names now. Ahmed Adli.
Yes.
Sentence number one, Ahmed. She is tired. She ran for a long time. I want you to join them using because.
مستر مش لاقيها. في number 2.
Okay, I'm going to share it with you. Now, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, the first sentence, she is tired. She ran for a long time. I want you to join these two sentences, make them one sentence only using because.
She is tired because
Yes,
she ran for a long time.
that's right. Thank you, Ahmed. Here, students, we don't put comma before because. After because, we put why this thing happened. Before because, we put what happened. Thank you, Ahmed. Yusuf Khalid.
Okay.
Number two, this is a good restaurant. The food is healthy and cheap.
This is
Yes,
good because in the
this is a good restaurant. Thank you. Yes, go on, Yusuf Khalid. Don't worry. If it is wrong, it's okay. We are learning. It's okay. Just to give me what you have in your mind, and I'm going to help you.
I can't see because this.
Thank you, Yusuf Khalid. I will come to you again. Thank you. Malik Asam,
Yes.
join this
This
person.
is
Yes,
this is a good restaurant because the food is healthy and cheap.
thank you very much. Here, students, in these examples, we put because in the middle. Before because, the first sentence is the result or what happened. What happened? And after because is the reason why this thing happened. Amr Magdi. Amr Magdi. Number 3, Amr Magdi. We can't go to the cinema. We can't go to cinema. We are busy. Amr Magdi, I can't hear you. I'm sorry. Malik Murad.
ملك مراد.
ايه ده يا مستر؟ انا مصطفى، I am مصطفى مراد not ملك مراد.
Number 3, please. We can't go to
Yeah.
cinema. We are busy.
We can't go to cinema because we are busy.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you. Muhammad Basil.
Yes.
Muhammad Basil. He is going to drink water. He is thirsty.
Because
Yes. But we don't start. Muhammad
he is thirsty.
Muhammad Basil, we don't start with because. We start with what happened.
Okay.
Yes.
What happened?
What happened here? He is going to drink water or he is thirsty? Which one of them happened?
He is thirsty.
This has happened. And why does it happen?
No.
Yes.
Going to drink water.
Yes, the sentence. Yes, he is going.
To drink water.
Thank you. After this, we put.
He is thirsty.
And what about because?
Because he is thirsty.
Excellent, Muhammad. Mustafa Hani. Number 5. We are going to swim. It is hot today.
Going to swim because it's hot. It is hot today.
Thank you. Now, students, we take the next part of our lesson. So, also comes in the middle, but it is preceded by comma. Before so, we put why it happened or the reason. After so, we put what happened or the result. So, connects two sentences. It introduces the result. Let's have an example. The cat was hungry. It ate fish. I want to join these two sentences using so. It will be what happened. What happened is the cat ate the fish. Why this happened? Because the cat was hungry. So I put the reason first. It will be the cat was hungry, comma, so it ate fish. Let's have another example. I went to the doctor. I was sick. I'm going to use so here. What happened? What happened that I went to the doctor? I start with what happened. I start with the reason. What happened? I was sick. The reason, what happened that I went to the doctor? The reason, because I was sick. So I put here the reason first. The reason I was sick, comma, so I went to the doctor. Now let's move to the examples. Ahmed Hani. Ahmed Hani.
Yes.
Sentence number 6. My cat was hungry, it ate fish. Use so.
My
Excellent. Cat.
cat
Yes.
was
Yes.
it.
So.
So it
Yes. It.
ate fish.
Thank you very much.
Shock.
Iyad Muhammad.
Yes.
Number 7. She was sick last week. She saw a doctor.
He was sick.
Yes.
So she saw a doctor.
Yes, she was sick last week, comma, so she saw a doctor. Thank you very much.
I will let him know.
Muhammad Samir.
Yes.
Number 8.
Number 8. It is cold in winter.
Yes.
People wear clothes.
Yes, people wear warm clothes. People wear warm clothes. Yes. It is cold in winter.
So
Excellent. Yes. Don't worry, Muhammad Samir, it's okay. Just answer. If you made a mistake, it's okay. If you make a mistake, it's okay. We are learning here. It's okay. You don't change anything. You will not change anything. You are going to put the second sentence as it is. You don't change anything and you don't cut anything. All the words you put them as they are. look,
So,
Muhammad. Yes?
so they,
No, just start people as it is. So people. Yes.
so people
Yes.
wear clothes,
Warm clothes. Warm.
warm clothes.
Thank you very much. Omar Mustafa.
Yes.
Omar Mustafa. Number 9. He wasn't careful. He fell off his bike.
He
Yes.
he
Yes.
he wasn't
Yes.
careful.
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 Yes.
So he fell off his bike.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Omar Ala. Omar Ala.
What?
Omar Ala.
What must
This sentence, please. It was raining. I took my umbrella.
it
Yes.
was?
Excellent. It was.
It was
Yes.
reading.
Raining. Excellent.
I took.
And where is so? You have to put so first.
So
Yes.
I took
Excellent.
my
Yes.
umbrella.
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 Umbrella. Thank you, Omar Ala.
Yes.
Excellent, Omar Ala. Thank you very much. Qusay. Qusay.
Yes. Yes.
Qusay, number 11. The car didn't work. We took a taxi. Use because. It's okay, Qusay. Relax and answer. Answer is it correct answer or wrong answer. It doesn't matter. Just try to answer. Yes, Qusay, speak. Speak. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just speak and it's okay.
The car
Okay. The car. Speak, Qusay. Speak. It's okay. Go on. Go on. Go on, Qusay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Go on. It's okay. It's okay. Qusay, if you don't speak, I have to leave you and move to another student. If you don't speak, I have to leave you. Thank you. Thank you, Qusay. You are not speaking, so I have to leave you. Yasin Ahmed.
Yes,
Yasin Ahmed, the car didn't work. We took a taxi.
the car didn't work
Yes.
because we took a taxi.
Now I will write it. The car didn't work
Work
because
because we took a
we
taxi.
took a taxi. What do you think, Yasin Ahmed? Is it okay? The car
Yeah.
didn't work because we took a taxi? Is it okay?
No,
No, it is not okay. So what do you think?
okay.
It is okay? Thank you, Yasin Ahmed, but it is not okay. Yasin Khalid.
Yes.
Number 11. The car didn't work. We took a taxi. We use because here. Is it okay to say the car didn't work because we took a taxi?
No.
Is it okay?
No. No.
No. So what do you think, Yasin Ahmed?
Listen, Caleb.
Yasin Khalid.
The car didn't work, so we took a taxi.
But here we won't use because. I think we have to change the order of sentences. I think we have to start with the second sentence. What do you think?
We took a taxi because the car didn't work.
That's it. Thank you. We took a taxi because the car didn't work. Thank you, Yasin Khalid. Now, students, we will start only in the first part of Unit 2 and connect. Let me share it with you. We will not talk any except the first exercise, so don't worry about that. Okay, this is Unit 2, connect. The title of the unit, what is the matter? Okay, in this picture, you see 4 children, they are sick. The first girl has something bad in her head. She says, I have a headache. Repeat after me, please. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. Picture number 2. The boy has a running nose. The boy has a running nose. He says, I have a cold. I have a cold. I have a cold. Number 3. The girl finds it hard to breathe. The girl finds. Okay. Someone is asking what is the meaning of cold. Cold is a disease. And when you have cold or when someone has cold, his nose starts to run. We say it is running a nose. Something comes out from his nose, liquids. Okay? And he is sneezing like achoo, 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 achoo. When someone says achoo, achoo all the time and his nose is running, we say that he has cold. So in picture number 2, I have cold. It means I have a running nose and I am sneezing. As you see, there are drops of liquid comes from the mouth and the nose of the boy. In picture number 3, I have a cough. Cough is finding it hard to breathe. This is cough. This is cough. Okay. Number 4, I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a fever. Repeat after me, please. I have a fever. I have a fever means that I have a high temperature. I have a high temperature. Okay. So, number 1, I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. Try to repeat after me, please. Number 2, I have a cold. I have a cold. I have a cold. Number 3, I have a cough. I have a cough. I have a cough. Cough, cough, cough. Number 4, I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a fever. Now, students, there's a conversation. We want to put the sentences in the correct order. Muhammad Helmi,
Yes.
number 1 is done for you. In the conversation, number 1 is done for you. Are you okay? What is number 2? Is it no, I don't feel well? Or what is the matter? Or I am sick because I have a headache? Or yes, please, thank you. Or can I get you some medicine? Okay, Muhammad.
Yes, please.
Hmm?
Thank you.
Are you okay? Yes, please, thank you. Well, thank
Yes.
you. Thank you, Muhammad, but I don't think so. Because this boy is not okay. He is not okay. Thank you, Muhammad. Ahmed Hilmi,
Are you okay?
yes, are you okay is done. What comes after are you okay?
What's the matter?
What is the matter? Thank you, Muhammad Hilmi. Thank you, Ahmed Hilmi. Thank you very much. Let's see what is the correct answer. Ahmed Adli,
Yes.
are you okay after this?
Are you okay? No, I don't feel well.
That's right. Thank you. No, I don't feel well. Thank you, Ahmed Adli.
What is the matter?
Thank you, Ahmed Adli. Yusuf Khalid,
Okay.
are you okay? No, I don't feel well.
What? Number 3.
Yes.
Number
It's okay, Yusuf Khalid, it's okay.
4.
Just
Please.
I think students who are going to stop now because time is up and we are going to continue next time. Goodbye.